Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chippin, and you'll know what time it is. So in today's video, I'm gonna take you all on a journey on a cruise ship. Now this cruise ship is the Navigator of the seas. It's a very beautiful and huge cruise ship. So we flew from Philly and then to Phoenix and to California, and then checked in our hotel because the cruise was the following day. And the next day on the cruise, y'all know what time it is. Follow me, and this video is gonna come in parts because it's a long video. Now let's have some fun. So after we checked in our hotel in California, y'all know my love for Disney World. So definitely I have to go to Disneyland in California to check it out. And in this video, I'm gonna show you some parts of the Disneyland because we didn't have enough time to go to every part of it. And also the food that I ate in Disneyland and on the cruise. Ride with me. Oh, Disney sound. That balloon. No, but don't pay. See your. Yo, look at the turkey. But I don't think they have the turkey. Wait. I was like really fast. Your own. I love that.
Check it out, they have this really cool self-replicating feature.
Because?
This is awesome. Buddy, you can stop doing that now. But anyway, you guys are here today to help us test the web slinger vehicle. Using onboard tech, you will be able to sling web just like my buddy Spider-Man.
Hey,
Aaron, grab the slinger vehicle.
already on it.
Everyone head to the slingers and we'll team up to stop the spider bus
sus piernas dentro del transporte superficies
The Spider-Man ride. Very unnecessary.